I just took the delivery of my new phone. So let's unbox together, okay? This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the new one. So I've been without a phone for a couple of days now, 3 days today, and I'm so finally happy that I got a phone. So I'm able to connect with my families and friends, and I don't have everybody bothered or worried about me. The past couple of days, actually, I think I actually enjoyed it. I had a lot of peace, but we still can't do without the internet, you know. So it's internet world, or the social media world, or whatever word they call it now. So, but yeah, I'm so happy that I have a new phone now. I think I want to go and join my Hallelujah challenge. We have the Hallelujah challenge ongoing right now. We'll unbox after the program is done. This one can wait. So back to our unboxing. So I have my phone before I went for my program. I think I want to have a seat. I'd like to sit down. Okay. Oh yeah, so this is much more better. So let's unbox together. I don't know what's going on with my bank account. I don't know if everything is still safe there. So we'll know what's going on tonight. Ooh, this phone just looks exactly like my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I mean, there is no difference. Oh yeah, there is. Oh, there is. Pardon me. Oh yeah, look at this one. This one is for the. We have this camera button now, the side button, and this is the power button and the volume buttons, and this is the screen. So let's open this together. Ta-da! And here I have my charger. So this only comes with the phone and the charger. Just comes with this user manual. So just going to set up my phone now. So since I don't have a different device to set up with, since I misplaced my phone, I'm just going to click on setup without device. My network, this is it. Oh Lord, do I even know my, hey, I don't know my password. Okay, let me go get my laptop. So the problem I'm currently experiencing now is that because I don't have a SIM, so I'm trying to change the SIM, my physical SIM, to an eSIM using my network provider, my account on my network provider information or whatever it is. So they keep sending a verification code to the phone number, and I don't have the phone number with me. I'm unable to activate my phone number now. So what I think I will have to go to the my network provider office tomorrow, so for them to assist me with this. So I'm still going to be without a SIM tonight until tomorrow. I will just proceed with the setup without a cellular number. So now I'm back to iPhone. Welcome to iPhone. Okay, just trying. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, everything is installed on my phone. I need to change the name of this iPhone. The name of this new phone. What do I use for the name of my new phone? So what I'm just doing on my phone now is I'm just trying to catch up with whatever it is I can do. And guys, look at the camera. The camera is so clean and crisp. So clean and crisp. That's all my settings. Even from my previous phone, everything is still installed on it. So I'm just trying to be sure that I put on find my iPhone. God forbid anything happens to this one again. Well guys, I don't know if you guys can see from my face, I'm currently stressed. I'm really stressed. When I didn't have my phone, I think I was really enjoying myself. I'm just stressing out about, I think the phone number. I know that some people might be trying to contact me, like my twin sister, but they are not. That'll be everything. I'm just going to charge my phone. I have all my messages. Everything is downloading at the moment right now. I'm just so concerned about my bank accounts. My bank. Yeah, so all the apps are still currently downloading. I have to be patient for everything to download. And yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for staying by, for watching to the end of this video. I didn't know I was going to actually vlog tonight, but it just happened and I decided to pick up my camera. Thank you so much, and if you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good night.
Aren't you fast over about that? No, thank you.